Maybe, I got blue all over my
Oh, get the napkins. Give me the napkins, please.
No, we're spitting right in the sink.
No.
To touch it.
To touch it.
Oh, crap, yeah. Alright, so you need a napkin.
Step out the way so you can get it.
You want to smell it?
I like Buffalo Wild Wings in there. Wait, burn my throat already.
Okay. You meant?
Get a napkin. I get a napkin.
So take it out, break it in half.
Yeah. Here.
You got a karate chop that thing.
No.
Right?
Just,
Put it.
No, grab it with your napkin.
No, put it down. Put it
no,
out
no,
there.
don't put the chip down. Christian, take half of it with your napkin.
Paul can do it. That's not equal, is it? I get the bigger one, don't I? Bro, you give me 2 pieces? Oh, it's kind of equal. Alright.
Here, there's another piece in here if you want.
No, Paul, no.
Yeah, you got eat it. It's a small piece. Cool.
Okay. You ready, Paul?
Gosh.
Ready for this?
Oh my. All right.
All bowed out. Christian, your face is turning red.
I know.
Stay in here.
yeah, I need water.
That's from TP's.
Give my Gatorade.
Oh. Oh my god. Actually hurts so much.
Give me one.
Don't break it. Don't be careful.
Get Gatorade. Out.
Give me it.
Here, take one of these, Christian. Take one of these, Christian. This will help.
Paul, you want your ice? Ice, Paul. Ice.
You guys know that the water only makes it worse, right?
Ow, it hurts so much.
Christian, did you eat the Reese?
No.
The Reese will help. Here. No, you already got one. Christian,
Oh, you want another
here.
one? No.
Got one.
Take another one.
So you two have discovered that you're powerless?
They need a minute.
Did they?
Yeah.
Under 5 minutes is powerless.
Oh, okay, you guys are powerless.
Shut up.
Christian with the cream grape?
You can drink the whole thing.
You guys want some rum?
Don't drink out of it. Put it in a cup.
How you doing, Paul?
Screw that. Oh god.
The Reese help?
My eyes are
Christian,
super
get your
red.
cup here, your root beer cup, and I'll pour some cream grape in it. Okay, you got water.
That's what I peed in.
Does it come out?
I peed in that. Don't this be entertaining?
No, again.
Christian, so Ida came in and ruined your week. What'd you do?
Getting over it.
I ate a hot chip. That was not worth it. It was
Where's
really
the chip? What
nasty.
chip did you eat?
Cry.
This dumb chip.
Ow.
What are you giving me
out.
money
Absolutely
for?
out.
Wait, this isn't a paid advertisement.
They gotta get something out of
Oh my god, it actually hurts. Here, stop. Stop recording. It actually hurts so much.